Want this? Let's start editing. First clip. Add Blackpink name logo animation, link in the description, duration 4.3 seconds. Next clips. Name logo of each member. Add the names in any order. Durations are on the screen. Go back to the first clip and add animation fade in for 0.5 second. Add effect RGB border under nightclub and adjust the horizontal to 50. Place the effect under the first clip. Add the second effect, noise to under retro, and place it up to the fifth clip. Add the third effect, shake under nightclub, adjust the range to 13, and speed to 32. And place the effect up to fifth clip. Now add transition vertical blur under blur, apply this on every split clip. For the sixth clip, add any video clip of Lisa, duration is 0.5 second. Freeze the first part of Lisa's video clip. Trim the freeze clip to 0.3 second. Duplicate the freeze clip. Add as overlay the first freeze clip. Adjust the first part of the overlay clip up to 0.4 second. Remove the background of the overlay clip. Tap the main freeze clip and adjust the brightness to -50. Add animation rock vertically on the overlay clip. Then add transition vertical blur. Then add swing bottom on the main clip for 0.2 second. On the main freeze clip, add small part of shake under nightclub. Add to video clips, durations, 0.5 second each. Add animation, swing right, and swing bottom for 0.2 second each. Add the next clip, Rosie video clip, duration 0.5 second. Do the same steps. First, freeze the first part of the video clip. Second, trim the freeze clip to 0.4 second. Clips durations changes depending on the music beats. Third, duplicate the freeze clip. Fourth, add as overlay the first freeze clip, and adjust the overlay clip to 0.5 second. Fifth, Remove the background of the overlay clip. 6th, adjust the brightness of the main freeze clip to -50. 7th, add transition vertical blur. 8th, add animation rock vertically on the overlay clip, and animation swing bottom on the main clip. 9th, add a small part of shake under nightclub. 10th, add to video clips, 0.5 second each, with animation swing right, and swing bottom, 0.2 second each. Next, add Jenny's video clip, and do all the steps I taught earlier. Durations are displayed on the screen. Same steps on Jisoo clips. Next clips. Same steps, but skip step 7 and step 10. For the next clip, add a video background. Duration 1.0 second. If you want the background that I used, the link is in the description. Add any Blackpink member's photo as overlay, and use the mask rectangle to crop each member. Duration 0.4 second. And add animation rock vertically. Duplicate the overlay clip and trim to 0.1 second. And use the mask rectangle to crop the second member. Copy again the overlay, and crop the next member using the mask rectangle. Copy again and adjust the clip to 0.2 second, and remove the mask rectangle. Now duplicate the second overlay clip and place the copied overlay below, then add animation rock vertically. Do the same on the next overlay clip, and don't forget to crop the photo using the mask rectangle. Same steps on the last clip. And when finished, export the project. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up to support the channel and help others discover this content.